Hi, I will be making today about a video tutorial on how to use stretch in the AutoCAD 2012. So the stretch command will allow you to adjust or move objects like a window or door opening without having to do much effort. First things first is you need to click anywhere you want, here, and then type stretch. Then click enter to start the stretch command. There. So select objects using a crossing window or CP enter for a crossing polygon. But for today, we'll be using the crossing window. So a crossing window is the green selection that starts at the right side and finishes at the left. So here's a sample of a crossing window. And then click anywhere you want to adjust. There. Then you specify a base point anywhere along the direction that you want to stretch. So mine will be here. Move your cursor in the direction and either click to end or type in the distance. So here. So adjust and then click enter and there. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something in my basic steps in performing the stretch command. Big thanks and hopefully you would kindly like and subscribe our channel. Bye!